Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products. Today, we're taking a close look at the OJESH Anti-Wrinkle Skin Soothing Repairing Serum for the face. This is a hyaluronic acid-based product designed to moisturize, tone, and repair skin, making it a potential addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. So let's see if it lives up to the claims. OJESH's concentrated hyaluronic acid formula promises to deeply hydrate the skin, boosting natural moisture levels and soothing sensitive skin. This product is marketed as not only an anti-aging solution, but also a skin healer, helping with skin immunity, reducing pimples, and even aiding post-microplastic surgery recovery. It's also backed by the Dermatest seal, ensuring skin compatibility, and claims to be safe for use during pregnancy or nursing. I've been testing this serum for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. First off, the serum is lightweight and fast-absorbing. It's a clear, slightly viscous liquid that doesn't feel heavy on the skin, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. I've applied it both in the morning and evening as part of my regular skincare routine, and it layers well under moisturizer and sunscreen without pilling. Now, how does it feel on the skin? The serum is incredibly hydrating. After applying, my skin feels noticeably softer, and it holds on to that moisture for hours. In terms of anti-aging benefits, I didn't see a dramatic difference in the appearance of fine lines within the first few days. But with continued use, I've noticed my skin looking a bit plumper and smoother. The dark spots I've been working on also appear slightly lighter, which is a promising sign of its brightening effects. As for breakouts, I've experienced no irritation or clogging, which is a huge plus for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Plus, the gentle formula didn't cause any redness or stinging, making it a great option for those dealing with skin sensitivity. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this serum is a powerhouse for hydration and feels soothing on the skin. Its ability to improve skin texture and appearance with continued use is something I really appreciate. The fact that it's safe for sensitive skin and even during pregnancy is another bonus. On the downside, the price point may be a concern for some. While it comes in a set of 4 boxes, the cost per unit could be higher compared to some other hyaluronic acid serums on the market. The results, while promising, do take time to show, so if you're looking for instant anti-aging effects, this may not be the quickest option. In terms of value for money, if you're someone with sensitive skin looking for a serum that won't irritate, but still provides solid hydration and gentle anti-aging benefits, it could be worth the investment. However, if you're on a tight budget or looking for faster results, there are alternatives that might better fit your needs. When compared to other hyaluronic acid serums on the market, the OJESH serum stands out for its extra soothing benefits and its compatibility with sensitive skin. Some others might offer quicker results or more active ingredients, but for a gentle, hydrating serum, this one does its job well. The packaging is simple, and the product dispenses easily from the box, which keeps things hygienic and convenient. However, it's worth noting that the packaging does not include a pump, which could make dispensing a bit messy if you're not careful. If you've had a chance to try the OJESH serum, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, brands like The Ordinary offer high-quality hyaluronic acid serums at a fraction of the price. However, if you're someone who values additional soothing ingredients for sensitive skin, OJESH might be the better choice for you. Overall, I think the OJESH Anti-Wrinkle Skin Soothing Repairing Serum is a solid option for those seeking hydration and gentle anti-aging benefits, particularly if you have sensitive skin. While it may not provide overnight miracles, its long-term benefits are promising. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more honest reviews right here on Beautyistic. Your support helps us keep bringing you content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.